Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore bad cuts using Descript for automatic editing. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To restore bad cuts using Descript for automatic editing, start by opening your Descript project. Import the audio or video file that contains the bad cuts. Once your file is uploaded, locate the section with the unwanted cuts. Highlight the segment by clicking and dragging over the text in the transcript view. Right-click on the highlighted text to bring up editing options. Select the Remove option to delete the unwanted section. After removing the cut, you may notice gaps in the audio. To fill these gaps automatically, use Descript's Filler Word Removal feature. Navigate to the Effects panel on the right side of the screen. Enable the Autofill feature to automatically blend the surrounding audio. This will help create a seamless transition in your recording. Preview the changes by playing the audio or video to hear how it sounds. If necessary, make additional tweaks by adjusting the surrounding clips. For fine-tuning, you can manually edit individual sections as well. Once satisfied with the edits, export your project by clicking on the Share menu. Choose your desired output format and resolution for exporting. Finally, save your project to ensure all your changes are preserved. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.